Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we are going to go over our swaps that we did. I had a team meeting last night and we did swaps, and so what you do is you make, depending on how many people are in the swaps, last night there were 11 of us, so we made 11 of the same card. This was mine. It's using some new product that just came out in the annual catalog, some that's coming out in the next month's holiday catalog, some ribbon, and I will show you how to do this. If you want to see how to make this, hit your subscribe button and hit the alerts, and I will be putting that video up for you. So that was mine. So I made 11 of those, and then let me show you what I get in return. So alrighty, we've got, and then keep in mind, I want to know what your favorite is. So we've got the happy birthday. That's super cute with a nice little camouflage hat. And then it's, I don't know if you could see it or not, but there's some woodland trees back there embossed. And then there's a little hat on the inside. This one, so cute with those strawberries there. And then this one opens up and it's got a little bit of paper down there. We've got this one here. I don't know if you could see it, but there's a beautiful shimmer and shine on here with, it looks like it is the alcohol ink technique, but this is a beautiful card. This one here, this one comes with an envelope, and this person, Amy, puts her cards in there like I do. So that was really cute. So this is her card, and then she stamped the inside, and then we have our little tags that you could just take off and use those cards. This one is super cute. Today is a coffee kind of day, and then it has two different cutouts of the word coffee, and it's offset just a little bit so it brings that what color is this, petal pink, up into the soft suede color. So there we go. That one was, I should have known because it said Lori. That one was done by, or Coffee, our team leader. So, all right, this one, another one of those hat dies, but there's multiple. Look at that. That is so cool. To the guy that wears many hats. And it says life is great right there, and it's so cool. Okay, there's another one. This one was from Chris. This was actually sent in from Minnesota. So we do swaps with our entire team, and it doesn't matter where you live in the United States, you can just mail your swaps in. All right, this one, so cute. This one, unfortunately, I don't know, is this one still available? I know that the other one just retired. This one is done by Becky, and I love the die there. Cuts these circles, and then you could fill in the circles with lots of fun stuff there. And this one, we've got that camouflage looking designer series paper, but it was cut out with the tree die, and so it looks like a beautiful fall card. I'm telling you, people, this one was done by Kathleen. People are so, I can't think of the word, just ingenious, is that the word? This one was done by Paula, and I don't know, I think I told you, like some of us, or some of my past videos, that I'm going through an issue with my sciatic right now. And so Paula is so sweet. She picked me up for our team meeting and drove me. And then she made this beautiful card. So sometimes it's just the little things. I need to remember to do the insides of my cards. So very cute. And then we always vote on our favorite, trying to get this open here. We always vote on our favorite card. So this is the winning card, and this was done by Pat. And it's a beautiful card, right? And you don't realize, but once you open the card, it's actually, hold on. Look at that. It's a little clear card there. How cute would that be? Like to have your family picture in there or something like that. So I just think this is adorable. I love making these kind of cards. I should probably do a video sometime, but this was the winning card, and Pat just made a beautiful card there. And then the final thing, we also, if you don't want to do cards, you could do what we call 3D items. And so somebody, her name is Cindy, she made this one, and it's using the scalloped box. Super pretty, using gold foil and embossed Merry Christmas. This is just gorgeous. So let me know what you think of these cards. Which one is your favorite? I'd love to hear it. And then again, I'm going to make this video, and that will be up tomorrow morning for my technique, my global stampers. So I will go ahead and show this one. That'll be tomorrow. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that button, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and thank you so much. Real quick before I leave, if you've stuck around this far, thank you. You can order materials to buy any of this, what you've seen, at jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. You can see I almost wrote .com. It's .net. Here's my July host code. And in case you are wondering, when you purchase the tidings and trimmings in July, so Christmas in July, right? You will be entered into the free, not entered, you will be eligible for the free online class when you purchase. This is what I'll be using next month. So go ahead and grab that. It does come in a bundle with some dies, and we'll be using that next month. If you don't like that one, a $50 minimum purchase will also get you into that online class for free. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I'm so glad to be back filming again, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.